Ciao Mundo, hello world, hola mundo, hello monde, grüß Gott. We're here at the Austria Center for the ERA-EDTA 2016 edition of the annual Congress with Professor Danilo Fliser, who has been responsible of putting together an outstanding program. So, Danilo, what are the highlights and the main themes of this program?
As you already pointed out, it's a real challenge to make a program for such a large Congress. I have to point out that we have delegates from overall the world, so we have delegates from developed and non-developed countries, and we have to make a mix. So we decided to put the personalized medicine in the center of the program of this year, the ERA-EDTA Congress, and we have several lectures, starting with our plenary lectures, where personalized medicine and medicine for one person, to say it another way, is in the center of the audience.
Well, you know, this touches my heart because probably as an Italian, I've always been in favor of personalized medicine, but there is a lesson to give to young fellows and residents. Even if a randomized controlled trial shows a certain result, it doesn't mean that this result necessarily applies to the single patient. It only applies to the population that has been included in that study.
Correct.
So I think that still seeing the patient, visiting the patient, and not focusing on the computer only, but also at the bedside of the patient is an important lesson, right?
You are perfect, right. I mean,
I think it has been probably difficult to put all this together. What would be the, let's say, 2-3 important lectures that you like best from the program?
Well, beside our plenary lectures, we have some highlights, for example, personalized medicine in hemodialysis patients, which is very important to our young colleagues to learn, like topics like psychological problems in hemodialysis patients or pulmonary hypertension, which is quite unknown. So we have specific problems in specific patient populations. We have transplant sessions where we also tackle specific problems in these patients, and as you pointed out correctly, to show that large interventional trial is one thing, but the other thing is to put this knowledge from large intervention trial in the individualized patients.
Yeah, and in fact, I think that part of the good results in the outcome of our hemodialysis patients in Europe is that we still care very much on single patient problems rather than standardizing everything. So standardization for us is a starting point, and we try to improve, while our American friends are tending too much probably to use standardization as a target level to reach. So I think this is an important issue. Well, thank you very much for joining today, Cappuccino, and we wish you a wonderful, wonderful ERA-EDTA meeting. Excellent.
Excellent.